Hi children, today we are going to study lesson 6, changes around us. Changes are the law of nature. These are the part of our life. Then in your area many more changes there. An example, in the field, that means the crops change from time to time. Then sometimes leaves fall from trees, then change color and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither. Then are any changes and happening in our body? Some changes in our body. Our nails grow, our hair grow taller, and our weight increase as you grow. The next is, can all changes always be reversed? That means all changes reverse. Reverse changes. Changes are of two types. First is reverse change. Changes are of two types: reverse change and irreverse change. And first one is reverse change. Reverse means come back. Then a change which can be reversed or we can get back its original substance or shape is called reversible change. Once more, a change which can be reversed or we can get back its original substance or shape is called reversible change. Then some examples: stretching of a rubber band, a balloon changes its size, shape on blowing air into it, then water changes into ice on cooling, then warmth changes into liquid on heating, changes paper sheet into a toy aeroplane. These are the reverse changes there. Then reverse change, another name is physical change. Reverse, another name is physical change. Why it is called physical change? Changes in which physical properties like shapes, size and state change without formation of new substances are called physical change. They can be reversed. In reverse change or physical change without any new substance formed. The next is irreverse change. Next change is irreverse change. Is opposite there, reverse opposite change there. So another name is chemical change. Then another name is chemical change. Then reverse change means it can be reversed and the shape can come back. Then reverse change, a change which cannot be reversed or we cannot get back its original state is called an irreversible change. Example: milk changes into curd, iron changes to rust, then burning of paper, then cooking of wood, etc. These are the example of irreversible change or chemical change. Then why this reversible change called chemical change? Changes in which chemical properties of a substance change and new substance formed are called chemical changes. They cannot be reversible. Then once we check what is the difference of chemical change and physical change, or reversible change and irreversible change. First, reversible change. Reversible change. Then irreversible change. Irreversible change. What are the difference between reversible and irreversible change? Then reversible change can be, first of all, can be reversed. Can be reversed. When this opposite there, reversible, cannot be reversed. Cannot be reversed. Cannot be reversed. Then reversed irreversible change, then get back. That means it can goes into back. Then irreversible means cannot get back. Cannot get back. Then third, no new substance forward. No new substance forward. Then irreversible change or chemical change, new substance forward. New substance form. Example, beading of paper. Beading after you have to see black color book there. Now the example of irreversible change. Once more, what is reversible change? The change which can be reversed or we can get back its original substance or shape is called reversible change. Then example, stretching of rubber band, blowing of balloon. Then irreversible change means a change which cannot be reversed or we cannot get back its original state is called an irreversible change. Then example, milk changes into curd, then iron changes to rust. These are the example of some irreversible changes. Then in your textbook, page number 48, table 6.1, some common changes. Then first is column change. Then this process is can be reversed. First one is raw egg to boiled egg. Reverse? No. Butter to idli? No. Wet clothes to dry clothes? Yes, sir. Wet clothes to dry clothes. Reverse there because then wet clothes try to there. Then woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Sweater knitting after not come. Reverse. Then no. Then grain to its floor. No. Then cold milk to hot milk. Then hot milk cooling after cold. Then straight string to a coiled string. Straight string means straight string is making to coiled string. Bud to flour. No. Then milk to paneer. No. Then cow dung to biogas. No. Then stretched rubber band to its normal size. Yes, sir. Stretched rubber band is you have to use there. It is come to normal size. Then ice cream to molten ice cream. Ice cream is after 5 minutes it is from a molten ice cream. Then answer is yes. These are the some examples of changes there, irreversible or reversible. Example, in your home, your mother is making a roti. Then roti you have to make it first dump making this form into shapes form, roti shapes forming. Then after it is not a reverse change. Then next is could there be other ways to bring a change? Then first we discuss two types of changes there, reversible change and irreversible change. Then some other changes there. They are expansion. Expanding. That means the object is expand. And you have to check that portion. A phenomenon in which a substance expands due to which its shape changes is called expansion. Substance shape is expands. This process is called expansion. Then next is a phenomenon in which a substance shrinks, that its surface area as well as shape decrease is called contraction. Expansion and contraction. That means the first is a substance is expanded. That phenomenon is called expansion. Then substance is shrinks, that is surface area as well as its shape is decrease is called contraction. Then check some examples. A change on heating or cooling a substance. Some examples are given. Then iron blade of the tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Generally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. Then to fix the handle, the ring is heated and becomes slightly larger in size. That is expansion. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the iron cools down, the ring contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Then some expansion example of some tools there. Tools are often heated before fixing wooden handles. Then such a change is also used for fixing the metal ring on a wooden wheel of a cart. Again, the metal ring is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. Then on heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Then cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. Then when we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue heat, further the water changes into its vapor and the quantity of water in the pan decreases. If we cool the water vapor, then get into liquid water. This type of process is called expansion. Then next we discuss some expansion of two substances are mixed. Mixing of two or more substances together can lead to changes. That is, example, sugar when mixed in water disappears and the water tastes sweeter. Then no solid crystals of sugar are seen there. This change is called dissolution. Another type of change is dissolution. Then expansion example is making tools. Tools making. Then dissolution mixer, you have to make a lemon juice, then salt solution, sugar solution. These are the example of dissolution. Then another type of some examples. When we light an incense stick on burning mastic, we find that after the whole incense stick burned away, during the burning of incense stick, some pleasant smelling gases are produced and ash is left behind. We cannot recombine gases and ash to get back the original incense of stick. Then we check in our area many more changes there, reverse changes and reverse changes there. You have to say some examples. First one is a plant grow on a tree, then maybe we go to a big man, then another our hair grows, nail grows, then body taller. This type of changes are the different types of changes there. Reversible changes and irreversible changes there. Okay, this chapter finish. You have to read well and study well.